This is Dami, and this is my presentation on the factors of production. In economics, there are four main factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Each is essential for producing goods and services in an economy. Anytime a product is being made or a service is being offered, usually all four of these are responsible. The reason this is important in economics is because production is basically the foundation of any economy. It's how a society turns resources into things people actually use. Land is the first factor, which I'm going to talk about. It is any natural resource used in the production of goods. This includes things like water, wood, oil, or even land and physical space itself. Farmland for farming or the ocean for fishing. Even stuff like sunlight or wind fit in this category. Basically, it's any non-human made resource which help with production. Land is important because a lot of it is limited. Like oil isn't unlimited, or water, clean water isn't unlimited, and farmland isn't unlimited. So scarcity becomes a really big deal. When a natural resource is scarce and there's a high demand for it, it becomes more expensive. Also, land isn't just about having the resource, it's about the access, location, and quality of the resource. Like a farm with good soil and a good climate is way more productive than land that's dry or has degraded soil. Or if a factory is located near a port or highway, it can ship things faster and cheaper, which makes production more efficient. Labor is the second factor of production I'm going to talk about. It's any human effort, any work, whether physical or mental, which contribute to the production process. Basically, any job that exists fits in this category. Labor, it can be obvious jobs like construction workers, delivery drivers, and factory workers, but also things like office jobs, teachers, nurses, engineers, and managers fit in this category as well. It's just about people giving time and energy to produce. But labor doesn't just mean employees. It also includes things like teamwork, communication, leadership, and even creativity, because these are all things humans add to production. Another thing economics looks at is the cost of labor, like wages, because if wages go up, then the cost of producing goods also goes up. Third factor of production I'm going to talk about is capital, which are any human-made resources which help in production. Things like tools, machines, or buildings, literally anything, any technology made by humans fit in this category. Capital is different from land because it's made by people. The whole point of capital is to increase productivity. One worker with a good machine can produce way more than one with no machine. Like a farmer with a tractor can farm way more land than someone doing something by hand. Or an office worker with a computer and the highest end software can do much more work way more efficiently than someone without that technology. Capital also includes things like roads, factories, and warehouses. And usually capital requires investment because you need money up front to buy machines or build buildings. Businesses have to decide how much capital is worth it, because capital can make work faster and cheaper long term, but it costs money to get started. Finally, entrepreneurship is the risk, innovation, and ability to organize and combine the other three resources to actually produce goods and services. Entrepreneurs take risks with no guarantee their business will succeed. They are the ones that innovate and bring progress to a market. They are the people who see an opportunity and act on it. They decide what product is made, how it should be made, how much it should cost, and how to sell it. They also make decisions like where to locate the businesses, who to hire, what equipment to buy, etc. Entrepreneurship is basically the factor that turns the other three factors into an actual business that can actually produce. A simple example to picture all four of these working together is a bakery or restaurant. The land would be the ingredients like the wheat or the water before it's processed. Labor would be the bakers, the cashiers, the delivery drivers, and anybody else involved in making or selling the food. Capital would be the ovens, the mixers, the fridges, the buildings, the delivery cars, and any other tool used to bake and run the shop. In entrepreneurship, that would be the owner or the founder, the person who decided the menu, set prices, created the brand, and took the risk of opening that business. Together, these four factors work as a system for producing goods and services. Land provides the natural resources, labor provides the human effort, capital provides the tools and equipment, and entrepreneurship brings everything together. These make production and an economy possible. Thank you.